Hi friends, Mike Anning out at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Today we're looking at a U24MB. This one is a Murphy bed. Follow me. So it's on a Mercedes chassis. It has your dinette table right here with a single slide. The bed just folds right out over on top of this here. You've got your TV for watching, or that can go down. Decent size kitchen right here too. Good size refrigerator. This is one of those cool three-way refrigerators, so it charges at all points. Got your convection microwave, and we'll swap spots here. Let you go in the restroom. You've got plenty of storage on one side, a huge shower, toilet, sink right in the bathroom. Real nice small diesel motorhome. Let me know if you'd like some more information on this vehicle or anything else we've done here at the Fife store. Mike Anning, Johnson RV, Fife, Washington. Thanks for looking.